Meaning of inoperative.
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 Inoperative. The term inoperative refers to something that is not functioning or working as it should be. When something is inoperative, it is unable to perform its intended function due to damage, malfunction, or lack of power supply. The result of something being inoperative can vary depending on the context. For example, if an inoperative machine halts production, it can lead to a loss of income and productivity, while an inoperative fire alarm can compromise safety measures. Overall, inoperative implies that something is not operational and needs fixing or replacing to work effectively.